Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be discussing the addition of integers using the number line. Positive numbers with negative numbers, all of that in today's video. Before we begin guys, it's pretty useful to me and for the community to grow if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe. It really keeps me pushing forward the channel and helps me actually know that you guys are actually understanding the videos. Without further ado, let's begin.
Oh my God.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about how to add two integers with the number line. Pretty interesting, huh? Let's begin. So let's say we wanted to add two positive numbers. How do we do that using the number line? Maybe you want to add a negative number and a positive number, like -4 plus 3. Maybe you want to add two negative numbers, like, for example, adding -2 to a -2. Well, in today's video, we're going to be learning about that. So stay tuned. So the first two problems we're going to be tackling today are super easy. It's basically adding two positive numbers. So let's see to the two problems we're going to be solving today. So 2 plus 5 and 6 plus 3. Remember, we're going to be using only the number line to solve these problems. So let's begin with number 1. So because we have 2 plus 5, we have to remember, we have to start at 2. So we're going to draw our number line. And the first number is going to tell us where to start or where to locate the number. So 2 is going to be to the right of 0. And now we're just going to add the amount of steps from 2 that it's indicated by the equation. So we have 2 plus 5. So first, we locate 2 in the number line. And then we're going to count 5 steps. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Now we're going to add the numbers. And we're going to find that the answer of 2 plus 5 steps is going to be 7. So that means that 2 plus 5 is going to be plus 7. So that's an easy one to get started. What if we have 6 plus 3? Again, both positive numbers, so nothing wrong with that. We have 0, and we locate 6. And then we count 3 steps. So 1, 2, and 3. And then we just put the numbers. So 7, 8, and 9. And that's why we say that 6 plus 3, as indicated in the equation, is going to be equal to 9. Because we first have 6, then we're going to add 3 positions. Because 3 is positive, we're going to move to the right. And then the answer is going to be 9. But what if we had one negative number, and then we're adding another number? Let's try. We have -4, and we're going to add 3. So we have the number line, 0. And then -4, which is the initial one, is to the left. And now we're going to add 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. And remember, when we go to the right in the number line, the numbers are going to get decreasing when we're in the negative part, right? So from -4 is going to go all the way to -1. That's why we know that whenever we have -4 and we add 3, the answer is going to be -1. So remember, we start here, we locate that point, and then just we move. In this case, we move to the right because the number is positive. So again, -7 plus 9. Let's try that one too. So we have 0 and we have -7. So what we're going to do is that we're going to add 9 spaces, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2. So let's try that one. So we look at minus 7, which is the initial value, and then we're going to count 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we move to the right because the number is positive, and we start from 7, and we know that it starts in 0, 1, and 2. And you can feel free to fill in the other numbers if that is more helpful. So minus 7 plus 9 gives us an answer of positive 2. And this is a way in which you can add a positive number to a negative number. So now we're going to see the addition of two negative numbers and what that really means. So in this case, we have minus 2. So we're going to add negative 2 positions. That is the same as moving to the left. So again, we have our initial number line in 0. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to position ourselves where we are supposed to be starting, right? And then because we're going to be adding minus 2 positions, we're going to be moving to the left. How many positions? 2. So that means 1, 2. And it's going to be minus 4. That means that whenever we have minus 2 and we add negative 2 positions, we're going to end up in minus 4. And that is going to be your answer. So the next one says that we're going to start at minus 4. So that's the point we're going to locate. And then we're going to be adding minus 3. So that means we're going to move 3 positions to the left because that's what the negative indicates, right? So again, we draw our number line and we position ourselves in negative 4. And then we just have to add minus 3. So we're gonna move to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So that means we're gonna finish in minus 7. So minus 4 adding minus 3 is going to be minus 7. So guys, in this video, we have actually learned how to add two positive numbers using the number line, adding a positive number to a negative number, and how to add two negative numbers and what that really means in the number line. I would recommend that you guys replay the video and try to do them on your own. Remember that practicing is key. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Please remember to leave a like and a comment if you find this video useful. It really means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!